Oh yeah, this is a nice one. I was here when it was still snowing. Well, not snowing, but there was still hella snow, deep snow on the ground. That's when I was here. I probably made a video about that actually. Just a short video because I messed up the audio. This is sick, man. This is sick. This is a ex-criminal's hideout. I say ex because he's probably dead by now. Unless, you know what I mean, we show up and he's like, "Yo, what's going on, boys?" That'd be a bit awkward, I guess. But yeah, this is really cool. It was much cooler when it was snowing, or snow on the ground, but I had zero grip back then. Yeah, this is nice. Can't really gain too much speed here, especially because I'm not really quite sure how short these turns are. But yeah, he built himself a little like log cabin. Because of the amazing exposure, I'm just going to explain what the cabin consisted of. Basically a bed, a wood stove, some shelving, and that's basically it. After checking out the cabin, we took some pictures. Alright, well, we're basically going home. I just have to pick up something in the store and then I'm heading home too. Well, this was an adventure and a half. Actually, funny story, somebody came in with a car to that cabin. What a fucking animal that was. Like just a normal car. Like it doesn't even fit. They completely fucked up the paint on their car. Like how daft can you be? Craziness. Oh my god, I have to slow down. These fucking stones are no joke. They hit me on the fucking arm and my leg. I'm like, nah man, I am good. Holy shit. And I didn't know if he's gonna come this side for whatever reason. Fuck no man. I am good. Jó, get gyors versenyt! A harmadik dudára! Megyünk, szóval csinálom majd. Jó? Can't see. See, I think we were both spinning out. I don't think any of us were shifting properly, but oh, that was good. The shifting was not good, but this was fun, you know what I mean? We can do it again. Nyomjunk egyet 30-ról! Kettesbe! Megint tudálok, jó? Oh fuck! Oh, that's it! Oh, was meg! Yeah! Hú, geci, az jó volt el! Hú, az meg! Elég, megy a masszíva hát! let's see. I don't know if the video is still recording or it's still going, but yo man, that was incredible, man. I never had a race like that before ever. Shit, I need to learn how to shift. I don't even know if I was really like looking at the RPMs. Obviously you shouldn't need to if you're good, but I'm not good. So I really have to look at that and somehow look at the road as well and really shift when it's like fucking like redlining that shit, you know what I mean, or close to it. That was incredible, absolutely incredible. Guys, this is basically the end of the video. If you enjoyed, a thumbs up would be appreciated. Comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.